Arya, you know about Rahul Gandhi?
Yes, of course.
अगर वो आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करता है, then what will be your first reaction and why?
Of course not. I don't like that guy.
Why?
Because he isn't sure about anything. Like he speaks rubbish.
Your first reaction जब राहुल गांधी आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करेंगे?
I'll ask him अपनी शक्ल देखी है क्या? My first reaction will be, please Rahul Gandhi, first you grow up. अपनी मम्मी के पल्लू से बाहर निकलो and then you come to propose me.
अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आपको प्रपोज करते हैं तो what will be your first reaction and why?
He's dumb. I'm sorry but he's dumb and I would obviously say no.
राहुल गांधी अगर आपको प्रपोज करते हैं कि what's your name?
यशवी।
Yashvi, I like you, I love you. So what will be your first reaction?
सबसे पहली बात, अगर ये मुझे प्रपोजल नरेंद्र मोदी से मिला होता तो मैं एक बार में सोचूं भी।
नरेंद्र मोदी,
राहुल गांधी।
मोदी जी, प्लीज वॉच इट।
इट्स राहुल गांधी, नो वेज।
अगर राहुल गांधी आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करते हैं, then what will be your first reaction and why?
I probably will, but never mind. Probably.
I would love to die. I would love to suicide rather than saying yes to this question.
Why?
Because I don't know.
You don't find him cute?
Not at all.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो अपने देश के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता तो हमारे लिए क्या करेगा?
Okay. अगर राहुल गांधी आपको प्रपोज करता है, then what will be your first reaction and what it would be?
No. N-O, no. Because I like men to have some brains. And Rahul, I'm sorry, but you don't have any.
So you don't find him cute?
There's a difference between being cute and being dumb. So
अगर राहुल गांधी सब आपके सामने आता है और आपको प्रपोज करता है, then what would be your first reaction and why?
Maybe I'd say
क्यों? You don't find him cute?
no, not at all. He's just fair.
Okay, so
I laugh.
अगर वो आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करे तो आपको पहला रिएक्शन क्या होगा और क्यों? I'm not a girl anymore, leave me please. So अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आके आपको प्रपोज करे तो आपको पहला रिएक्शन क्या होगा और क्यों होगा?
I mean, why Rahul
No,
Gandhi?
why him?
Why not?
No, not at all.
Reason?
Reason? Oh. There is no reason only.
Okay.
We are really not interested in Rahul Gandhi.
You don't find him cute?
No, not at all. He's become old.
He's too dumb.
So अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आके आपको प्रपोज करे then what will be your first reaction and why?
Increase your IQ, please.
Okay. So according to you, what will be your first reaction?
Are you jobless?